They say that there's a natural antidepressant in the soil. Mycobacterium or something like that. It's pretty neat. Oh boy. You know what? Actually, because of my back pain, I know my limitations. Now, that ain't a knife. As you can see, this is stonecrop sedum. It's starting to already bud because of the wonderful weather that we've had this year. It's been really a mild winter. Usually, I try to get it done sometime before the spring really starts. But shoot, just a few days ago, it was 80 degrees. It's kind of ridiculous. Right now, it's only about just going on a 40 degrees or so. Oh, this is already killing my limitations. It's really nice to watch this stuff in the summertime, especially in the late summer. It attracts all kinds of bees, butterflies, honeybees. Love this stuff. In the dirt, there's some kind of a bacterium. It was Mycobacterium vaccae. I don't know. If you know it, put it in the comments. But it's supposed to be an antidepressant thing. See, I like this because for depression and anxiety, there's certain kinds of triggers out there. This is what I would call a good trigger. It makes me happy. Just having a nice yard, something that you can enjoy and others can enjoy with you. I mean, that's something that makes me happy. So, this was out of a big pot of peppermint. Actually, I don't remember if it was peppermint or just mint. I think there's two different kinds, right? Spearmint, Wrigley's. That's not how it goes. Not how it goes at all. Got these rose bushes. I should have cut them back in like November or December, but God, I can't even cut that. That's going to be at the sod. My words didn't sound right then. All right. Got a second bucket. Whew. I apologize for the wind and everything. But I don't want any neighbors think of me fucking pulling out this thing. These are Japanese spindles. Unimus or something like that. I had some bad blight on this one, and that one a while back. I'm just going to trim up a little bit on these. This was a living fence starting out. a living fence idea that we started out here. I'm not touching those. That's got green buds on it right there. So does that right there. You're done. Yeah. It's looking good. It's looking good. Oof. It is getting kind of windy. I might actually just stop doing this soon. But I wanted to get some of this done. Come out another day. I don't have to get it all done in one day. I mean, I got a pretty good amount done if you think about it. What, 9 unimus, 2 rose bushes, and stone crop sedum. So that ain't too bad, you know? Yeah, everything looks really good. You know what? I'm already here. This is a Siberian apple. That's pretty. Huh. But I do want to get some of this stuff. Yeah, as you see, it's is that the lowest branch? I might take that off. Let me take that off. This one here and this one here. I love it. Sun's out. Sun's out, guns out. Got the big saw. Yeah, I still need to get down. A little help from the bucket. Yeah, this is it. This is my limitation for the day. Oh yeah, there we go. Yeah, see, it's just a tangled mess. I'll cut that up once it's dried out and throw it into the freaking fire. Yeah, wind really picked up when I went back to get the saw. That's all right. Sharp as heck. Again, something I got from my brothers. They were really nice to bring up a bunch of stuff here and there. Where's that other one? Get these little sucklings off of here. Now I'll come back and do some more stuff to the tree itself once it gets warmer. Oh no. Good times. All right. Let's put that right in there. Yep. I found my limitations today. Cold weather's starting to get to me. But my other battery already ran out, so I'll dump this back into that compost box and cover it back up. Then I'm pretty much done for the outside work. Man, that tree has gotten so big. Look at that, it's taller than me now. That's great. Again, grew it from something the size of my pinky. Just something a neighbor found in his yard. All right, we're done today. As I said, I'm gonna clean up, then I'll get inside, and I'll edit a video. Hey, Thanks for coming out, hanging out with me in my yard. Remember, get up, work on that anxiety. We'll get that later. See you later. Should have worn my cowboy hat out here. Ma'am. Best kind of tripods are the one you have training pants. We'll have to cut down the other apple trees next time. I'm just too tired. I'm tired. Everything hurts today. Didn't start hurting until I started moving. It's supposed to be 60 degrees in my butt. My butt's cold. I don't know why I shaved my freaking beard off. This is stupid. Stupid weather. All right, see you guys later.